Hi guys, welcome to my channel Syringe 11. How are you doing? This one is about knives. Today I want to talk to you about putting a lanyard on your pocket knife. You can do it different ways. You can put a paracord on it, as you can see, with a little bead on it. I thought about it myself, like a snake knot, another snake knot, putting a lanyard on it, and another two snake knots. So, but what I really like is a leather lanyard. I don't know if you can see it very clear, but yeah, I like it a lot. So I need a new lanyard on my PM2. So I was really thinking about what should I do. I didn't like a leather lanyard on the Para 3, and why not? That's because of, I don't know, the black look. I didn't want to put a leather one on it. So yeah, here this is more, I don't know, this Beuker Cargill. It's got a little bit more of a, yeah, some sort of a nature feeling. Of course, the leather lanyards will suit best on knives with these colors or with wooden scales. So what do we need? We need this leather shoestring. You can get it by your local shoe shop, shoemaker. It's in different colors, black, brown, and it is really solid. It's leather. So I'm not gonna make this a very long video. So what I do is I put this through, and I don't want this because the PM2 is a long knife. I don't want this to be very long. I don't want it to be as long as this one. Yeah, it's a big knife as well, but yeah, I think it's different. This one has not really a use because I just like it. But this one, yeah, has got to be at use. So not too long, but you can put this through. And I hope you can see it, but it has two sides. This one, it's not very nice. This one is very nice. So this is the top, like the real brown top. So I take that and I put it like so. I make a little loop here on the long one, and I decide, and I look at this, the nice side, let's call it the nice side, it's still on the outside. It's always on the outside. So do it like this. Yeah, maybe a little shorter, I don't know, but it doesn't really matter. You can you will cut off anyway, and better too long than too short. So somehow do it like this, and then what I do is lining these two up. These two you're lining, and this one you will get with the good side, the nice one. The nice side on the outside is here. You see that? You see that? Then wrap it around, and it doesn't really matter which way around, as long as you just put it around and hold tight. Just wrap it around. Always with the good side up, the nice side. And yeah, you can do this, you must do this pretty tight, but no worries, you will tighten it up afterwards as well. So, is this the place where I want it to be? Or do you want it to begin here? As you can see here. Yeah, where do you want to begin? So that's up to you. It's up to you to make a decision about the knife you have and you put it on. So I think one more, or is it too much? Let me see. No, we can have one more, like this. And then you got to wait. I have to see if I want to have one more or not. Yeah, I like this. I like this. I like this. So you got this, right? The loop with this strangled around, and on the other side you've got this piece. Yes. So let's see. I hope you can see that. So what you want to do is take this and put it through, but only when you're having this on the other side. So I'm not gonna put it through here, I'm just gonna put it through here. All right, so just getting that through, and it has to be like with the good side up. Yeah. So this is how I have it. And now the interesting part comes. You've got to pull one of these to get this loop pulled inside. And that's this one. As you can see, it moves. Yes, it moves. But you don't want to take it too tight. You don't want, as you can see, my nut is way more here. We started here, now it's here. But that's okay, we're gonna fix that afterwards. So you don't want to put it too tight. So this is good. It has a little lock now, so you can leave it. So what we're gonna do is we gotta put it on place. So where is the place I wanted? I pulled this one to get the loop in. So this one is just, let me see, it's attached to this one. So this is the same, because we pulled this one to get the loop in. So we pull this one, that's this. If you're gonna pull this, you're gonna pull that out. So you wanna hold on to this and do it like that, see? And you can pull your knot back where you want it. So you're not sure where you want it, you just try it in your pocket and like, yeah, here's where I want it. All right, you leave it there. So that's that. And I'm not sure where I want it, because yeah, I think a little, no, I think it's good. I think it's good. A little bit farther back, further back, a little bit, so like this. Yeah, I think I like this. I think I like this, yes. So that's, for me, it's good. Now what you want to do is you want to tighten this up. So we're just gonna turn it and turn every single, see, you're gonna pull it, and it's gonna be back here, and it's gonna be back here. So you pull it through, and then again the loop you pull through again. So that's what you do. So again, you just twist it. Yeah, like that. And you can use force. This is very good stuff. Very solid. It won't break. If you buy these leather strands, what are they called? Leather straps, leather strings. If you buy this and it will break, you bought the wrong one. So I just think this is it. And when you're using it, you can always pulling it tight, just playing with it. So, but I like it. I like this. This one is longer, as you can see. Not much, but a little. Yeah. So and then you just you just got it. You just got the two ends. It's just how you want to do it. You just got it like this. You got it here. You got it there. Where you like it. I don't know. This is for everybody. Yeah, different. So. Got it like here. So, and then you can always make a pointy thing about it. But it's a little stiff now, and this will this will loosen up in the end. It will. This will become very loose and much better to have in a hand. So. Yeah, I'm very glad with this one. I like it. Well, let me know what you think about it. Maybe you would put a paracord on it. That you say that looks better. I think because of the camo. Yeah, you can pull it off. So. There you go. That's how I put a leather lanyard on a pocket knife.